Hello, wonderful people. Canada is hiring foreign workers now. They are hiring massively to fill in the labor shortage. And again, their government has come up with decision that they are going to hire foreign workers to fill in the labor shortage. Any job you can do at all, there is space for you. They are hiring both skilled and unskilled workers, and you don't need IELTS, and you can go with your family. They need IT workers, cook, truck drivers, anything you think of, they will hire you. Just show interest that you want to move to Canada. So dear people, I will show you the employers that are hiring in the Canada need foreign workers now because they got shortage of workers. And in city called Newfoundland and the Labrador, they are being neglected. So government want to help them to bring in foreign workers so that they will have development. So please, my dear people, inform others, tag others, and share our post so that others will know. And in this program they set up now, they have two programs. One is NLPNP. NLPNP. So if you want to apply, you can apply there, or you can apply in their program called AIP. So get ready to travel to Canada. Dear people, please, I'm begging you, tag others and invite others so that they will benefit what you are benefiting, because this one is quick one. You will move immediately without much requirement. What you will do now is go to Google and type in Newfoundland and Labrador. Newfoundland and Labrador, and hit enter. You will see our Office of Immigration and the Multiculturalism, Job, Immigration and Growth. Or you can equally go to Google and type in gov.nl, gov.nl.ca, gov.nl.ca. CA means Government of Canada. Gov.nl.ca. Then you hit enter. You will see Office of Immigration and the Multiculturalism, Job, Immigration and Growth. Then you start to apply. So what you will do is just make up a strong IV and apply. Please comment, like and follow us if you have not followed us. And again, please, when you hit enter, you will see where they wrote information for workers interested in the learning more about the API. So be vigilant and browse very well. Browse through. You will see many information there. Read it up and get ready. Make up, send them a strong CV so that they will employ you. Just express your interest that you want to move to Canada. They will employ you. I will show you their address. And again, if you want to be fast, you know your code. If you are a chef, for instance, you are a chef, you can search in the Google. You search in the Google your code. If for instance, if you are a driver or construction workers, go to Google and search for truck driver in API. Truck driver, I'm giving you example now. For instance, you are truck driver, you just go to Google and searching API employers in Newfoundland and Labrador. Your code will come up, the company that are hiring will come up. You will see many companies and their codes. So if you don't know the codes, you can equally copy the code. You copy the code and put in the Google. When you put it in the Google, it will show you the nature of the employment, or the code, the nature of the job, I mean. So dear people, make strong CV, I mean, make strong IV. They are hiring a lot of people, cook, hotel keepers, and truck drivers. And if you are skilled and unskilled, they will still hire you. So make strong IV and send to them so that they will hire you. Please Share our post, comment and share. If you interest, you say interesting. If you are interested, say interested, or you can say good, fine, beautiful, to support our page so that we do more. There's a lot of job I'm going to show you, so get ready. This week is coming up with huge employment all over the world, because UK has closed, thinking that they are ultimate and other places have open. Please don't click any link someone is sharing in the comment section. If anybody tells you to bring money, please do not bring. All those things we are sharing is free and totally free. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye for now.